Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Navigator and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of January 18, 2021. This week will be an important week for people to watch the Mr. Biden at Inauguration Day, and we see how his team will lay out the roadmap for the future. On Friday, all the market indexes are pulled back down a little bit and potential short-term correction, but the uptrend is still unconfirmed. I expect everything will be fine after Wednesday, peaceful, and the light will move on. Last week, oil and financial banking are doing very well. Then cool up on Friday, people take some profit. We are starting this week with a Monday holiday off. Today, I will analyze and show you what sector that we should focus on and looking for a strong stock in that sector so that we can find opportunity to trade. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction to make some extra daily income and analyze swing trade stock price direction so that we can get a bigger profit potential. I will continue to update during the week, so make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new updates. Trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich scheme. Trading involves significant knowledge of the market. Successful traders require much more than a good strategy. It requires discipline, patience, daily guiding, and a lot of experience from practice. You need to know when to make the trades, when to stay away, and need to know how to set up and read in the trading chart correctly. No one jump right in and instantly become a successful trader. Most traders losing money because they chase to buy pump and dump penny stock and keep listening to news and their friends for cheap. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can buy with high probability of winning and a low risk trade. You need to learn how to read and analyze the chart before you start buying any stocks so that you can manage your own financial future. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and you can ask and see how the price action in real time, and so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's take a look on one of the stocks that I'm going to bring up to you today so that you can see how it looks like. So the stock that I'm going to show you today, they call Twitter. So every one of you know that the Twitter in the last couple of days, they have shut up with the Trump account. But if you look at the chart here, so this stock has been run up since April. They continue to go up, they pull back down, go up and pull back down. So the people are still thinking that this stock will still have a continue to go up, but they didn't know that the stock had hit to the sell zone. If you look at the chart carefully here, on January 4, before anything happened from the Washington, you can see that the institution, the big boy, they already took the profit when they hit to the sell zone. So if you are a member of Stock Navigator, you see why this one is the sell zone. And then when it hit to the sell zone, big boys taking profit. And then on January 4, the market had already coming down, but the regular, the investor outside, they don't know. They continue to buy it up. And on January 5th, one day before the riot, the market, the price already tell you that they're going to go down. They drop it down here and then they continue on the riot day. So on the riot day, the market, it pushes it down. The market, they don't know that the riot day will come a violent day. So, but the chart, the price on the chart will tell you already they are coming down. So you can see here, they go up from here to here, they start turn around, they're coming down. And then when the riot become violent, the next day the market will drop down more. And then the next day on the January 8th, so they suspended Trump account. So that's where they put oil to the fire. So the twister continue to drop. So the question here is now where they're going to stop. So if you understand how to analyze by using technical analysis, you can see that when the market dropped to this level here, a lot of people, they bought it right here, so they get panicking, and more of them would try to get out because it continue to go down. And then at the moment, and the institution, they would come in and buy it back up to the buy zone, and then they put it back up. So imagine if you buy the stock at this level, when it gets to here, you're already losing 25%. So that's why if you don't learn and you yet buy like the people outside, you will lose a lot of money. So that's why you need to spend some time, okay, you need to learn how to read the chart so that you can see exactly what I'm talking over here. So every week I'm looking at a lot of stock from the main index, and I'm looking for what sector, which is one is a strong sector, so that I can analyze and pick up some stock from that sector to show you where the market is heading to. So last week, look at the volatility index. So the market is spiked up a little bit, but overall it's still below the Dow trend line here. So technically, you know, the market shoot up a little bit. That's why on last Friday, the market is coming down. But right now, they should back up, but it's no big deal. You know, I think after this week, by after Wednesday, the market will be more stabilized and follow support, and this one will continue to stay in the low bound here. And if you look at the a lot of index like SP 500, the SP 500 overall trend is still bullish, but in the short term, you can see that they are in the sideways correction here with a little bit downtrend here, but overall trend is still up. So as long as they still stay about the uptrend here, okay, the market is still in the uptrend. So look at the Nasdaq. Okay, the Nasdaq is still going sideways with a lot of stocks like Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook. You can see that they're all in sideways correction. That's why you know, Nasdaq cannot go anywhere. They still go sideways there. And the small cap stock is much stronger. They are still push it down, but overall trend is still very bullish. And the Dow is also going sideways correction, as you can see here. After they hit the top here, they pull it back sideways. But this one is just, you know, a minor correction, and then they will find the support and then pump it up again. So this week, we look at some of the sector. Last week, as you can see, that the oil sector, the financial sector, is doing very well. But now they are, after they run up to the top, and then people will take some profit before they can build up some momentum and push it back up again. It's same thing like semiconductor. Also on Friday, the people took some profit. And if you look at this week, I'm looking at one strong sector that tried to turn around, that the XLRE, which is a real estate sector. So this one that happened come up and then they pull back down. So they start build the momentum, and now they try to break out to looking for the higher high in the future here. Okay, so some of the strong stock in this sector like SKT, okay, they can, you know, this stock is also very strong. They try to go up, pull back down, go up, pull back down, but overall trend is still very bullish. The MSM, that's another one that after they run up to the resistance, so they pull back down, and now they find a way to push it back up again. And another sector is very strong, that's the utility. They try to turn around. Okay, after they go back up here, they pull back down. Now they are more stabilized and looking for the opportunity to put it up to the upside. And the EXE, so one of the EXC, got another, the Echelon Corporation. This stock is also try to view the bay and try to break out and find a way to go higher. The bio sector, with a lot of things happen to the healthcare sector and bio sector, and you can see that this sector is still doing well with a skyrocket on the coronavirus. So this sector is still very strong to put it to the upside, and a lot of stock in this sector they have been run up, but the momentum is still there, and then they continue, especially like Gillette. Okay, they're coming down, the bottom out. Now they're able to break out. They pull back to the support. Now they try to find a way to put it higher. Pfizer, that's another vaccine there, have been shoot up after the news, but after that they retreat back to the support. So now they try to stabilize and find a way to put it back up. mRNA, that's another Moderna, that's another vaccine that have been out on the market right now. Okay, a lot of people take a shot on Moderna. So this one, they break out and try to find a way to put it back up. And today, I think yesterday, they already approved 2 more ACN. So that's another one that they just approved. And Johnson, that's another one, is also very strong and put it up to the upside. So they approved 2 more into the vaccine list. So those stocks probably they still have more potential to put it upside. And another stock at BYND, this stock look at, after the last couple of days, this stock at Beyond Meat, this stock had pulled back down, they found a support, they break out, and then they shoot it back up. Now they still hold up very high, so they still have some room to put to the upside. So these are just a few stocks that we show you here in our live trading room. Every day we analyze a lot more stocks in real time, so that our member, they can follow along and know when to get in and when to get out to take a profit. If you are busy working, you can subscribe to our weekly premium Wall Street watchlist, where we handpick and analyze in detail where this stock will be heading to. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the thumb up button above. See you during the week. Take care, everyone.